Hi, I'm Monse. I work for health promotion, and today we'll be making a breakfast meal replacement smoothie. You will need frozen mangoes or any fruit of your choice, spinach, protein powder. An optional choice is maca powder or greens, oats or any fiber of your choice, milk of your choice. For this smoothie, we're using almond milk for a creamier flavor. Just blend it. Okay, now that it's blended, we'll try it. The measurements vary to your liking, so don't be afraid to try new things. That concludes my recipe. I hope you guys enjoyed and stay tuned for more.